Hi bazala bami, zitho welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho, it's about season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu, episode 10, guys. So on Uthando Nesithembu yesterday a lot of things happened, but I just wanted us to talk about umhlangano waka Makhumalo and uMangwabi. I don't know whether it was a lunch or dinner because I don't know the time of the day, but bazikhiphile izolo uMakhumalo asked uMangwabi out sithi umusamsele kusengcono, and they talked about a lot of things, and those lot of things, it was all about uMayeni, guys. This is the second time, before ngizokhuluma ngento eyenzeke, second time on this, and this is on the previous season. uMakhumalo no Mangwabi, they said uMakhumalo said uMayeni is delusional ahleli noMangwabi. Manje uthi uMayeni was forcing ukuthi uMusa eze kakhe at ilanga, like we don't know about that. She also talked about iBill, guys. So uMakhumalo stated she's the one who paid 100,000 bill akaMusa Mseleku because macela umtshela ukuthi kunenkinga yesimo seBill uMusa since angana medical aid. I don't know ukuthi uMusa anengane eziwu10 anamakhosikazi awu4, anenkosikazi ongasebenzi, anengane ezingekho right, like ezingadinga medical attention noma kunini, anengane ezincane anezizukulu wayangana medical aid, but ke bake basho ukuthi he stopped paying medical aid because ingane zalapha kubo okwakhe, so kwakhe aziguli, even nabo bebankulu, so he felt as if bekabhadalela amahhala. We don't know ukuthi wayangana ama savings awuzowabekela for ukugula, but since bokugula yena ezinhloko yomuzi, we wouldn't know ukuthi maybe unawo or not, you understand. But we do know that ama-finance kaMusa engathi wakhuluma noMakhumalo, uMakhumalo nje unokudila nama-finance we-family, uyumsebenzi wakhe lapha egcekeni. So Makhumalo said ubhadale 100,000 and uMayeni didn't pay, guys. I don't know whether she believe uMakhumalo or she believe Macele, because Macele, guys, on the previous episode uyichazile indaba yeBill, ushilo ukuthi iBill iphumile and bomele, even though angashona beyithi malini, bomele bayidivide amongst, angithi bayi4, bomele each person abhadale ishakhe. uMayeni didn't wanna pay but eventually paid, and akasho ngama reasons ukuthi why uMayeni bangafuna ubhadala. Mhlawumbe uMayeni bangafuna ubhadala, bekasho ukuthi no guys, umuntu othi yena ama-finance kaMusa makachacha imali kaMusa anike abhadala isibhedlela. We don't know why uMayeni bangafuna ubhadala. Nami I just felt as if ukuthi uMayeni naye bangafuna ubhadala, it was so selfish of her azothi akafuna ubhadala ama-medical bills kaMusa. uMusa bahlala benzela ubuhlobo ngaka. uMusa might be a bad person, guys, or bad husband, but kwezinye izinto uyabajengisa amakhosikazi wakhe ukuthi aba-appreciate and uyabathanda, and awukwazi ukujezisa umuntu sekagula. Mjezisa right, aphila nje right, yabo njengoba ahlala amtshela nje lezi zinto amtshela zona u-right, lapho u-right, but awukwazi ukumjezisa sakagula. End of the day lo muntu ubaba ingane zakho, and ingane zakho ziyamdinga ubabazo empilweni yakhe. So I don't know mina ukuthi uMakhumalo makazokhuluma noMangwabi about into yokuthi uMayeni akafuna ubhadala, bekafuna uMangwabi athini. uMangwabi ushilo ukuthi yena indaba ukuthi uMayeni akafuna ubhadala uyizwe ngomacele, so akayazi ihamba kanjani. And the next season or next episode uzothi uMangwabi makasaphendula uMakhumalo, sorry guys, uzothi uMayeni makasaphendula uMakhumalo kube ngathi uMayeni unochuku. But guys, I'm starting to feel as if uMayeni lezi zinto uMayeni azishoyo ngoMakhumalo iqiniso, because why would you invite omunye unkosikazi and then nithi ninenkinga ezingaka kulezo inkinga eninazo wena decide ukuthi you know what, I'm going to talk about uMayeni. It is wrong, guys. Singasho sithi uMayeni vele naye usile unokudelela uThobile, of which lapho sikhuluma iqiniso, but uThobile lento ayenza it's wrong, even though uMusa angayiboni, it is wrong. Another thing uThobile, guys, ayishilo on kuleya lunch bewaphuma or kula mhlangano wabo is that utshele uMangwabi ukuthi lo mcimbi ozoba khona umsebenzi akusumi just umsebenzi, kuzoba nomcimbi ka number 5, of which nalapho ngifile ngathi you know uMakhumalo this season angazi ori isizini endlulile abantu uthole ama-comment angekho right kakhulu, ukubonile ukuthi abantu abasamthandi njenga the other seasons. This season angazi she's trying so hard to be umuntu angasuwe, and we loved lo Makhumalo okuqala. Angimazi ke mina lo Makhumalo ubuyaphi, and lo Makhumalo lo wamanje usiphuvela lento lo Mayeni bekayisho ukuthi abantu baba kanje makudlala amakhamera, mangadlala amakhamera uba kanje, because I don't know ukuthi makazotshela umbali uMangwabi that uMusa Mseleku uzo-introduce number 5 then azothi kuMbali iza ufuna uMbali a-react kanjani, ufuna ukuthi uMbali abe ready for number 5, you understand. Kanti ezinye izinto bazokubamba ngeshock uvele uthule udile ngazo so bekafuna kwenzakaleni uMbali akhosisini. But guys, we are just waiting for the next episode ezodlala ngoLwesithathu ozayo ukuthi kuzenzakalani. We've seen kuma-short ukuthi uMbali ayithandile leyo mcimbi leyo ka-number 5 and abavezanga ukuthi uMbali ureact kanjani, but ngimbone nje umayeni asho ukuthi uMusa Mseleku ubadelelile and I feel as if nami uMusa Mseleku ubadelelile noma Khumalo umkhuzile but akakhuzakanga. Bazali bami, so please do comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.